Hello again. Hey, here comes some fun DIY recipes using Thieves. I love to make my own cleaners. In the welcome video that Tara and I made, we talked to you about several non-toxic ingredients that you could add to your household. Actually, you probably already have them in your household to really make good DIY cleaners. Well, soon we're going to tell you about how to get all of these wonderful Thieves products at wholesale pricing. But before you do, we just thought it would be fun to give you a few recipes that you can use along the way. And you're really going to want these recipes when you stock up on your Thieves products because they work so well. So let's first start talking about glass and mirrors. You know what? It's very easy to make a glass and mirror cleaner. You only need a few things. You need one capful. One capful, this is a small cap, by the way, it's not that big. One capful of Thieves household cleaner, 5 drops of Young Living's lemon essential oils, 1 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar, and a 16-ounce glass spray bottle. It's really best to use glass whenever you're using Young Living essential oils because it's just best to do that. Our oils really work. This is the best way to get it. And amber preserves all the nice, good constituents in the oil, but you can use a clear if you want to, and they're easily accessible. You just put all of those things in the bottle, you put water in it, shake it up when you go to use it, and just spray it on your glass and mirrors and wipe it off. You'll have glistening mirrors, wonderful glass, and it'll smell delicious. So I have hardwood floors all over my house. I really like cleaning them with the Thieves cleaner. Again, it's a refreshing smell, and it's a good clean, non-toxic. I have grandbabies, and I do not want them crawling on any poisonous chemicals. I don't want any residue left on my floor. So here's a good DIY floor cleaner for you. 1 to 2 capfuls of the Thieves cleaner. Okay, so this is a concentrate. It goes a long way. You already heard about that earlier. 5 drops of the Young Living's lemon or citrus fresh essential oil, and 1/2 cup of distilled white vinegar. You just put that in with your bucket, and just get to cleaning. It'll be such a nice clean. Your floors will smell wonderful. They'll be spotless, and you won't have to worry about any residue left on the ground. Okay, how about a DIY laundry whitener? I know everyone can use that. I personally don't use bleach, so I like the idea of having a safe laundry whitener. For that, you're going to need 3/4 of a cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, 1/4 of a cup lemon juice, 10 to 15 drops of Young Living's lemon essential oil, 3/4 of a cup baking soda, and 7 cups of water. You're just going to put that in like a 1/2 gallon jar, and you'd shake it up every time you go to use it. Just take 1 capful and put it in your wash. What a dream. Okay, oops, I just passed it right up. How about this one right here? We have DIY Thieves Scrub. Now this is one of my favorite things right here because, especially around our sinks, our bathtubs, the floors, maybe around our toilets, there's these certain spaces in our household that we just want to get really clean. And so the scrub works out fantastic. For that, you're going to need 3 cups of baking soda, 3/4 of a cup Thieves household cleaner, 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar, and 30 drops of Young Living's lemon essential oil. Combine all of these ingredients in a bowl that you can cap off. It'll form a paste, and then you just store it in your airtight container. As you can read here, it's going to hold up for about 3 months. Everyone who uses this loves it. heavy degreaser. You know, every once in a while, right, we make a huge mess in the kitchen, so we need that heavy degreaser. 3 capfuls. That's all you're doing is increasing the strength. So instead of 1 capful, you're going to use 3 capfuls of the Thieves Household Cleaner, and you're going to put that in a 16-ounce, again, glass spray bottle. Or, you know what? I have some people that, you know, when they get to the bottom of this bottle, they'll just put a sprayer on the top of this because this bottle is safe for essential oil usage. So you can use this to get all of the heavy grease. This works great in my kitchen. I have a black stove, and it's also got, you know, beautiful finishes on it. So I like that I can get it nice and clean. Okay, last but not least is the all-purpose cleaner. 1 capful of Thieves Household Cleaner, so 1 capful of this in a 16-ounce spray bottle with water. And you know what? I use that on everything. So I use that on my toilet. I use that to clean, you know, spots on my walls. I use that to clean my counters, you know, extra cleaning power on my counters because, you know, I don't want the germs and so forth hanging out there. So it's good that this is all-purpose cleaner. It's good to use everywhere. I hope you enjoy these DIYs. Now, for you newbies, which recipe would you like to try first? And for those who are not so new to Thieves products, what other recipes have you found that you'd like to share? Just put them on here. Can't wait to see what you come up with.